Afternoon, everybody. Pat Steve's in Stockport, and I don't know if this is the town hall or not. It's a lovely building, but every few minutes something strange seems to be happening, and it won't happen now I've started this. Hi everybody, it's Fat Steve.
Hello, it's Fat Sandra, but I'm not fat.
And together we're Spices Media. And take two. Afternoon everybody, Fat Steve, and I'm in Stockport, and I've got this beautiful building. I don't know if it's the town hall or not, but nice steps, it's on the A6, and something unusual happens every few minutes, and it's not going to do it now. So it's take three, folks, and I'm in Stockport, got this beautiful building. Afternoon everybody, it's Fat Steve, and I'm in Stockport, and got this beautiful building. I think it's a town hall or something, I'm not sure, but every time I've had a look at it, there's something very strange seems to happen, and it's not happening now. Afternoon everybody, it's Fat Steve, Spices Media, and I'm in a blowy Stockport, and we've got this beautiful building, and every few minutes something strange happens here, which we don't see in many places, and this is probably take 5 and it hasn't happened. Afternoon everybody, Fat Steve, Spices Media, and I'm on the A6 in Stockport, and I've got this beautiful building, and every so often something strange happens. And this has been about 6 takes, and there it is. How about that, folks? How about that? I'll leave all them takes just to show you. Good God, that was a fucking mission. So I've been looking for a road. Well, I am looking for a road just down here. We've got a big building over there, I don't know what that is. So I'm on the current A6 heading through Stockport, heading towards Manchester. This is quite beautiful. We'll stop and get that. It would be nice if we get a plane coming there, but it's a bit cold and a bit windy. Now along here, I'm pretty sure there's a road branches off to the right somewhere. I couldn't find it on the bus coming up, but it turns into a sort of old road running down the back of Stockport to the right, which I'm pretty sure was the original route of the A6 when I researched it and how it was and where it went in 1795. It's very cold. That's Stockport Register Office. It's very windy. It's blowing a fucking gale, to be honest. Now they have made the big pentagon shaped building, which is over to my left quite some distance. That's been made into a multiplex food court with lots and lots of different food establishments in it, and I can't find this road. It's annoying me a bit now. I watched a documentary on YouTube about this old building, and they restored a sort of animated clock that's out the front of it, but judging by what look I've had up to now this morning, well this afternoon, it might not even be in fucking Stockport. But that's Fat Steve for you. So it's nice to be on the A6. It has a lot of history on it. It's the original route from Whitechapel to Carlisle, and I researched it in 1993 for an American travel guide, and it was called the Esoteric A6. Another plane there, but I don't know if I've got it. Can't see. It's too cloudy. The Esoteric A6, and it was tracing the route of the A6 as and how it was in 1795. So that's before any canals, and before any railway, and it's a lot of a different route to as we know it today, even a lot different to as it was 100 years ago. Old building here that's probably been a pub, and the same over there. That one's probably been a pub too. Now, I was pretty sure the road I was looking for was to the right, but I can't find it. Over there we've got a remaining chimney stack, something called the Garrick Theatre, and a hat museum. I've never heard of a hat museum. Marketplace, tourist information and air raid shelter. So we'll have a look at that. We're at the Central Library here, and this street is called Peter's Gate. Got another one there. Again, I can see it, but I don't know if the camera can see it. So we'll have a look down here. This looks more like the old part of town compared to the new shops that I passed on the bus, and this might lead to where I'm looking for. So there's a weird smell of polish or something in the air. In fact, I think what I'm looking for is there, but I don't know how I'll get to it. Let's try and have a look down this bit here that says Marketplace. I would doubt if the market's on today, but you never know. You never know what made it so exciting. Dee 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 dee. I hope the scoot's crashed now. Scoot's crashed. Some of these bumps on some of these roads, if it tips a little bit, it tends to crash out. Big open space there, and I don't know, it's quite quiet. Doesn't look very markety down here, but I may be wrong. So we got O'Neill Morgan something building there, the old Prudential buildings. Harold Green Circular, folks. A nice old church. A nice few alkies sat in there, swapping substance by the look of it. So just leave it there. I think that's a bit of a cenotaph. A road somewhere with an old clock shop on it with animated figures that moves. You have no idea where it is. It's as you come down the A6, it sort of branches off to the right, and it's part of the old A6 from 200 years ago. But cheers, man.
Don't ring a bell, sorry.
I watched a documentary of them refurbishing all the animated figures outside it, but I'll find it. Is this a cenotaph? I think, oh no, it's just a statue. Thank you, man, anyway. Where does that one go?
Go straight down, that goes to the market.
Lovely, thank you very much. We'll have a look. That's not on today, is it?
No.
Cheers. So, nice gentleman helping me out. And we can see, got different barriers of peace here, but a small car would make its way through there, I would think. So it looks like this is, this actually, don't know if this could be the street that I've been trying to find. I don't know. I'm quite confused.
So number 1 St Peter's Square. So if I don't find what I'm looking for, it's been a strange one. This looks like it goes into a park. It looks a bit too dodgy to go in there. Shopping at the heart of Stockport, it says over there. So that's probably or possibly the market. So I wonder if I dreamt this road. I don't know. There's the current A6 on the bridge. Nice old buildings. A bit of a hill. More aeroplanes. I nearly tipped over backwards there. Now, I've got a sneaky suspicion that where this street comes out on the left is what I was looking for. Somehow, it looks like it comes from the left over to the right, and it would have joined what is now the A6. Although it comes under the A6. Jesus Christ, I'm having no luck at all here. So if anybody else in the world saw this documentary, in fact I think this steps here could be the road that I'm looking for. I'm trying to remember back many years ago. It's a bit of a memorial, but I think behind that is the road I was looking for, which carried on down here. That is weird, folks. That's weird, and I'm stuck. A lovely old plaza building there. So I've not found the clock I was looking for, but I have found my way down to the modern shopping area, which is where the bus tried to drop me off. So if we can get off here, which we can if I go this way, I'll try and a nice pub here called the Chester Gate. And I've ended up by the shops that I was trying to avoid. So we'll do a little shopping audit. Got Bridge, Forbes, whatever that is, Superdrug, Card Factory. Everything you'd ever need in the modern day. So this looks like it's a little shopping precinct. It's got that Morecambe look about it. A few more shops that way. Tesco Express, which will come in handy. Just missed another aeroplane. Yeah, this has definitely got that Morecambe look about it. At least some of them are occupied. Nail bar, trespass, outdoor clothing. Got Claire's accessories. We've got Little IKEA that looks closed up. A Holland and Barrett. We've got the mandatory phone man in the middle. Sol, DCM. O2, the mandatory perfume lady in the middle. And we've got the mandatory Sky Man in the middle. Just like every other shopping precinct in the country. We've got a fragrance shop. Oh look, we've got a Pound Bakery, that's rare. You don't see Pound Bakeries very often anywhere on my travels, do I? This is looking promising. We've got a Vodafone shop and an office. Waterstones. Well, there's a lot more here than what I thought there would be, and most of it is open, folks. Foot Care, Clark's, comes to the end and goes outside, I think. Specsavers. Should have gone to Specsavers. So let's get my little glasses on and have a look where I'm at. I'm at 14 minutes, that's not very long. But then we've got all them aeroplane outtakes. So there's a lot more shops here. Oh look, he's got a Primark. Oh, I've got to get got it, look, it's a big magnet at Primark. It's pulling me. It's pulling me. It's mad. Right, Timson. And we're outside again. Now this, when we look at some of the places that I visit, and you think this is Stockport, and you would think, what the fuck's at Stockport? It's quite a nice shopping area, to be honest. It's quite good. And I can hear it, but I can't see it. And it's going to go right through that sun, so I don't know if I'm going to get it. Ooh, no, I don't think so. I don't think we got that. So we've got a nice coffee house, a little BT shop. BT and EE, fun, home. So, Stockport, folks. The perfume shop. It'd be cheaper down here on them stalls. Vision Express, opposite Specsavers again. I often wonder if they're the same group, because they're always very near to each other. Got the mandatory pigeon in the shopping mall. A little stumpy bit here. Quick Fix. What's this? Little charity shop. I like my little charity shop, furniture shops. SS Free Boutique. And what's this? Foreign exchange. And we're back out. We're back out, folks. What have we got here? Got a Rose's Coffee and Kitchen. One Beyond, closed, gone. Big cinema, and God, this looks like it was a main shopping street at one time. It's now had it by the look of it. Aeroplane again. So I just don't know if I'm filming them or not, I can't tell. We've got a Sex or a CAX, whatever you want to call it. The cafe place. Pepe's Piri Piri, Bryce House, Grandad's Fish and Chips restaurant, the Elegant Tailors, Cash generator. Oh, look at this, folks. Ben W. Marusha MP, Member of Parliament for Stockport. Yeah, say nothing else. Keep your mouth shut, Steve. Steve, shut the fuck. Shut up. Shut. Are we having a wonderful time, Bongo? So, Zippy's been zipped. Got a huge one over there called Joseph James. A few little independents here. And what a surprise, folks. Now we've got the railway arches there. And quite possibly, if I can get near there, we might be able to see the pyramid from a distance. Try it again. Don't know if I've got it. So as I come up to what is the current A6, and we'll look at the railway arches. Let's try and get my glasses on. And if I go through the middle arches where the traffic lights are, somewhere behind there, in one of them arches, if that car weren't there. Come on! Brazil! There it is. I hope you can see it. I can see it through my glasses. There is sort of two traffic lights, and behind the two traffic lights we should have the top of the pyramid. And so, folks, that was Stockport. I've got to find the bus stop now. I've not managed to find what I came to find. It obviously is here somewhere. And where's the fucking bus stop? Going back the other way? Or is it over there? It's over there, folks. It's over there. So, will he make it? Will he make it? He's in the middle of the road in Stockport, folks. He's fucking mad. He's cracked. He's cracked. He's lost it. He's lost it. And look, two trains on the bridge. Oh, fucking hell, what content, folks. What content. The trouble he goes to. And look, he thinks, got an aeroplane coming right at me, I hope. Well, I can see that one for a second or two. Wow. What a fucking outro. Hi everybody, it's Fat Steve.
Hello, it's Fat Sandra, but I'm not fat.
And together, we're Spices Media. So bye everybody, Fat Sandra and Fat Steve, Spices Media.